with your granny on Facebook. Share it with the woke mob on Twitter. Share it with your Instagram crush. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We appreciate all your support.
Came in just for a touch-up paint job. But this shit was ate up so bad, man, with them fucking rock chips and the paint chipping, and we wasn't gonna be able to get all in here and all of that. Like I don't want to half-ass do something at all. See, all down in here, like all of that shit got to be painted. All of this in here got to be painted the right way. You know what I'm saying? I'm done with half jobs. I don't want to do that no more. Because why? It comes back. See this right here? Like, we would not have been able to get all in here. You see all of the rock chips on the front? See all of that on the edging in there? We would not have been able to get all of that, leaving it connected, leaving it on the truck. Fuck it. Let's do it right. When you came in for a simple touch-up paint on the whole entire front of the truck, some more candy on the wheels and suspension. The suspension has been sanded down. Look, man, if we're gonna do this shit the right way, I ain't doing it. And you wonder why Head charged what he charged? Because I'm not shortcutting shit no more. I don't want to shortcut nothing. This is just it, period. We're gonna do this motherfucker right. Boom. You see all of that? Okay. We had to 80 grit that motherfreaker. Actually get all of this shit off before we picked up your truck.
Thanks, Sal.
Thanks, Sal. 36 grit paper. That shit won't even get it off.
Thanks, Sal.
Ridiculous. Hi, big girl is drying up. Finally got her all finished up and done. The whole entire front of the truck has been painted. All of the rock chips and the bumper, this bottom half was very bad. Had to redo that. We painted the wheels over again. Did those again. Bring the blue more out on the edge. Make them pop. Did the bar down here to the torsion bars. Painted that. Painted the side mirrors. Bam! Put that back in there. We did the bow tie. Bow tie's cleaner now. See? Put fresh paint at the bottom, a big girl. Fresh paint on the wheels. Gotta pressure wash this. Put rhino liner, new coating all on the back of the bed. Need to pressure wash that down. Whole bed is done. All of the, put the lift part back on it. She ready to go home, man. Alright, we is done. Done with big girl. Had to take all of this apart, paint all up in there. So that's all finished and done. White it out on the inside. Alright, so your big girl ready to go home, man. I just gotta get it detail washed and deliver it to you. Yeah, she is finished.